Hello my friends, in today's episode on Granificent, in today's episode we have a special occasion. It's the 3rd anniversary of starting this YouTube channel. So let's go through the statistics, how much money we made after 3 years and 500,000 views on the channel. If you like this channel, please remember to hit the like button and the subscribe button. It doesn't cost you a thing, helps me out a lot, and you stay informed what's new on this channel. So without further ado, let's get into the numbers and see how the channel is growing. So the channel currently at the time of recording this video has 2,864 subscribers. With the recent videos not doing too perfectly well, but that happens. Sometimes the YouTube algorithm boosts them after a long time after posting. Within the last year, we had 14,000 watch hours. The most watch hours within the last year was how to use a Yashica Electro 35 film camera video. But looking at the last 3 years since we started, we have 25,000 watch hours. So as you can see, more than half of that time I got within the last year, not last 1.5 years. As you could see on the diagram, this last year had a little YouTube algorithm boost. As we can see, last year kind of went up higher. And here was about-ish when we got monetized. So you see, as soon we were growing nicely and quickly, and as soon as we got monetized, it remained flat. The YouTube algorithm is still testing how this channel is doing. So in terms of watch time, the most videos of watch time, we had the how to use the Yashica Electro, the Minolta film camera history, unboxing of the Epson V600 scanner, and others. So in terms of views, we have a similar situation. Within the last 365 days, we had 287,000 views. Within the last 3 years, we have 515,000 views. So in this case, half of that time, just like the watch time, more than half was within the last year. And you see the similar bump at the beginning of this year that the YouTube algorithm started bumping our channel a little bit. It's going slowly, but recently it's going down a little bit, but that happens, ups and downs like always. In terms of views, the best videos were how to use an Yashica Electro 35 film camera, how to load a film camera from the Minolta SRT-101, unboxing the scanner. So in terms of subscriber growth, within the last 365 days, you got 1,500 subscribers. Within the last 3 years, we got 2,859. That's not an up-to-date number because those statistics update after some time. But most of you guys, well, the video that brought the most of you guys was how to use a Yashica Electro 35 film camera. So next was the Minolta film camera history, and how to use a Minolta SRT-101 film camera, and then it just goes lower from there. And as you see on the diagram, the amount of subscribers per day, it's growing very slowly. And then of course we have how many times our thumbnails were viewed. So within the last 365 days, our thumbnails were viewed 1.7 million times. Within the last 3 years, that's 3.4 million times. So as you see, on all the statistics, more than 50% of the growth was within the last year. And our click-through rate, the last 365 days, that's 7.1% on average. Within the last 3 years, that is lower, 6.7%. That comes from the fact that at the beginning I had very little videos and the YouTube algorithm didn't know who to show them to. But since the channel grew a bit, as you see, the YouTube algorithm basically sticks to a similar click-through rate. And my average view time on the video is 3 minutes. Within the last 3 years, it's still 3 minutes. So my videos aren't usually too long. They are from a few minutes up to 10 minutes, something like that. Rarely I have a video longer than that. And of course, 80% of the views are new viewers, 20%, 19% basically, are viewers that have seen my videos within the last 5 months, and regular visitors, that's 0.5% of you. So we have times when the videos are mostly watched, 76% men, 32% United States, no subtitles, and we have that 97.3% of you are not subscribed to this channel. What are you waiting for? Subscribe so you don't miss any amazing videos I make. So that's that. And how much money we made since we got monetized? Within the last 365 days from YouTube AdSense, I got 1,200 USD. Since I started the channel, of course, that's not going to be much more because we got monetized last year in June. So that's $1,500. And I didn't have any sponsors. I didn't have no other income, affiliate marketing, nothing like that. So I only have income purely from Google AdSense. The video that made me the most is unboxing and first scan of the Epson V600. That's $131 up to today. How to use an Epson V600, that's $104, and how to use the Yashica Electro 35 film camera, that's another $100, and the remaining videos were less than $100 since posting. So on a month-to-month basis, I make about $90 to $100, as you can see here, which is just some extra pocket money I can do, buy some extra film. I'm planning on doing a little bit more shorts and trying to get my hands on more cameras so I can put out more camera gear, and maybe in the near future put out more videos per week, but that's still gotta wait. So I have some bigger numbers in the income section here. So is it worth it? Well, for $100 a month doing what you like, a hobby, I would say it's worth it. But if you're looking to build a YouTube channel to have full-time income from this, you might be the lucky guy and have thousands of dollars a month very quickly, or you might be the unlucky guy like me that's after 3 years I still have about $100 a month of income from this. So for me it's worth it, but for you it depends how your luck helps you. So if you like this video, please remember to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any amazing videos I make, and hit the like button. It shows the YouTube algorithm that this video is worthy of showing to others. Thank you for watching, my friends. Take care and see you in the next episode.